Roman numbers. The Romans used the letters I, V, X, L, C, D, and M to denote numbers. I stands for 1 in Hindu Arabic numeral. V stands for 5. X stands for 10. L stands for 50. C stands for 100. D stands for 500. And M stands for 1000. There is no zero in the Roman system. Rules for writing the Roman numerals. Rule 1. Numerals I, X, C and M can be repeated to represent a number. Repetition means addition. I, X and C cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Symbols V, L, D are not repeated. Observe these examples. Rule 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of a numeral of greater value is always added to the greater numeral. Observe these examples. Rule 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value is always subtracted from the greater numeral. Observe these examples. Rule 4. When a smaller number is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is always subtracted from the greater numeral immediately following it. Observe these examples. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only. The symbol C can be subtracted from D and M only. The symbols V, L, D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That is, V, L, D are never subtracted. However, this method of writing numbers was not very convenient. Observe this Roman numerals chart. Thank you for watching this video.